Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shirin Kazi. This is Curious Kids General Knowledge Class 5th book. Lesson number 7, Indian Classical Dances. Indian classical dance has several forms. In the picture below, you see some of our noted dance forms. Name the states, region they belong to. Bharatnatyam, Tamil Nadu, TAMILNADU, Tamil Nadu. Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, UTTARPRADESH, Uttar Pradesh. Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, ANDHRAPRADESH, Andhra Pradesh. Odissi, Odisha, ODHISHA, Odisha. Satriya, Assam, ASSAM, Assam. Manipuri, Manipur, MANIPUR, Manipur. Kathakali, Kerala, KERALA, Kerala. Mohiniyattam, Kerala, KERALA, Kerala.